Do you remember me? Wow! When I was small, you used to see my vlog. So now I've grown up, so I'm going to fest. So I'm already 6 years old and my name is Myra. And there's a fest in my school. So I'll eat ice cream and it will look very, very yummy and tasty. So look at the views, it is very, very nice and clear. So the weather is very, very good. If you like the weather, so you have to hit the button of like and subscribe, please. Please, can you please subscribe, please, because even I subscribe in your channel, please.
So we have left from home और अभी हम लोग कार के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं और वेदर आप देख सकते हो बहुत ही सुंदर है. धूप लगी हुई है, it's not raining, it's nice. Are you excited? Go fast. Have reached.
Come on, you got it wrong. To prove I'm right, I put it in the song. I don't know why you're being shy. You turn away when I look into your eyes. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Oh, baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your
Intro, we got this. हम लोग फेथ से निकल गए एंड नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टूवर्ड्स कैथेड्रल चर्च. और जस्ट लुक एट द वेदर, इतना सुंदर है, धूप लगी हुई है. नाइस.
How was the faith? This is the famous church in Shillong. Look at the clouds. Look at that.
सो मैं अभी हूँ कैथेड्रल चर्च पे एंड दिस इज़ अ फेमस स्पॉट हियर इन शिलोंग. तो अगर आप कहीं आसपास पे यू कैन कम हियर एंड जस्ट हैव अ वॉक आउट हियर. प्लीज़ बी माइंडफुल कि आप यहाँ डिस्टर्ब ना करें एंड डोंट लिटर अराउंड हियर.
Let's pray to God. Our Father in heaven. I'm having a nice time. See,
बहुत ही गर्म लग रहा था. सो यहाँ पे एक ट्री का शेड है, वहाँ पे हम लोग बैठे हैं थोड़ा टाइम के लिए. So Myra is feeling hot and she wants fan. From where will I give her fan? There's no fan here. She's feeling hot. So now we are heading towards Police Bazaar. We have some work there. So you want to go to Police? अभी हम लोग आए हैं धानकिटी पॉइंट पे and we are gonna try the aloo tea from here. Let's see how it tastes. I usually eat from Lady Hyde Park, but today I'm trying it from here since I was in Lady Church. So वहाँ हमारा बन रहा है आलू मुरी. यहाँ पे क्या क्या मिलता है? आलू मुरी और हाँ आलू चना. ओके, पापड़ी चाट.
I will bring something for you guys if I can.
वो स्पून दीजिए ना.
No, if we buy some, there's like black,
छाता बंद कर दिलो.
purple, with the pink, I guess. I don't know, let's see.
So this is the aloo muri of Dhankiti. How was that?
not bad.
Not bad.
Black or pink?
It's okay, good. Give it a thumbs up. So it has puff rice, mini YY. It is good. So we tried the aloo muri from here and it was like not bad, okay. I prefer Lady Hyde Park only. So now we are heading towards Police. A cab from there and then we'll head towards Police. And she's feeling spicy. One. What do you want? She's getting cranky. What happened? You need a fan. How will I buy a fan for her? तो अभी हम लोग पहुंच गए पुलिस बाजार एंड क्राउड इज लेस. इट्स विंडी हियर, लिटिल बिट शेड मिल गया. शी इज एंग्री, क्रैंकी. व्हाट यू वांट? शी वांट्स फैन. लेट मी सी व्हाट फैन शी वांट्स. She is feeling hot and she's asking me to buy a fan for her. Which fan you want? Which fan? कितना का है वो फैन?
150 है मैडम.
बैटरी है उसमें?
चार्जेबल है.
चार्जेबल वाला है?
टाइप
टाइप सी का है क्या? बोले कम होगा ना?
30 दे दीजिए.
100 में दे दीजिए. वो भी बच्चा फोर्स कर रहा है बोल के. हाँ 100 निकाल ना. हैप्पी?
हैप्पी? अभी ऑफ कर दो.
So how will you use it?
So we have to put a button in, then it will move very, very
Fast.
slow. It will move like this, second like this, third like this.
Use. Okay, happy. Use it. Use it.
Let's walk. Touch is over.
Give. I'll keep it. Okay, happy.
也個千萬阿閃將呢個勁啊！
Come on, let's go down. Go down. In Police Bazaar, and if you have to buy umbrella, then you can come to this location and purchase umbrella. They have it in good quality. Brand is Mahindra. The price of this will be little high, but the quality is good. So we have been using the umbrella of this brand only for a very long time. Location is opposite to UP Speed. You have to climb the stairs and so now we are going to Regal restaurant. So ये बहुत पुराना है. We usually go here if we come to Police Bazaar. We'll go and have something. We are hungry. It's Regal. Chalo. Chalo. Let's go. Where will you sit? Oh, it's empty today. Okay, let's sit here.
Pizza, okay?
Why pizza? Why always pizza? We'll eat something different.
I am hungry, then blah 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 blah. Thank you everybody for blah 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 blah. Food is coming blah 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 blah. Thank you for watching blah 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 blah.
This restaurant is a very good spot to come and munch something. I can say Chinese. We usually come here and have chow mein. Sometimes हम लोग यहाँ पे आके डोसा भी खाते हैं. बहुत ही टेस्टी मिलती है. And बचपन का याद है. So I have ordered chicken chow mein again. मुझे यहाँ का chow mein बहुत ही पसंद है. So they have lots of options here, and they are in Zomato as well. I can see it here. They have lots of options: chole bhature, rolls, momo,
Then you have
fried
to take me
rice.
to the washroom because I want to pee.
We are almost about to reach home, so you can go there. Okay?
Let's go.
After eating.
No, I want to do that. Is coming back. Leave.
Okay. 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 Also, the milk tea of here is very tasty. So we have ordered. Mummy, how's the taste of the tea?
It is very tasty.
Why are these kids so mischievous? एक टाइम पे ये अच्छे से रह नहीं सकती, इतना हिल रही है. Maida, stop. Freeze. Now you cannot move. You have to stay like this. You cannot move. So this is how you can make them freeze without disturbing you. This game. Freeze. Now you cannot do any movement. You have to stay like this. Okay? अगर तुम हिली तो तुम आउट. जब तक मम्मी का टीक कंप्लीट नहीं होता है तब तक माया फ्रीज होगी.
Chapati.
She's calling chapati. So they are open in Guwahati as well. I didn't know this. So how was the chow?
Good.
हाँ. तो हम लोग का हो गया लंच ब्रंच, क्या बोलूँ. Now we are going to one shop because मम्मी को earrings खरीदना है. Where's मम्मी? I'll look at this little girl. She's still eating. So मम्मी खुश? तो मम्मी ने खरीद लिया earrings from here. And ये बदमाश लड़की, she was hiding here. वो बाबा जी को बोलूँगी ना तुमको लेके जाने के लिए, ओके? लेके जाएगा ना? ठीक है? बाबा जी ला बांध दीजिए नहीं. You should not play hide and seek outside, okay? It's not good. आयरा को जो भी शॉप दिख रहा है, she is saying let's buy this, let's buy that. Who will give the money? Where is the money?
Inside your pocket.
How much you have?
1 million.
0 rupees.
1 million.
1 million. Oh my God, you have 1 million. Wow. She has 1 million, it seems. How many zeros are there in 1 million?
0 plus 1 million is 1,001 million.
Tell me in the comment section how many zeros are there in 1 million. Okay?
1,000 rupees.
Just look at my condition, guys. मैं पसीना से पूरा लथपथ भीग चुकी हूँ. It's hot in Shillong. कल इतना ठंड था, आज इतना गर्म हो गया. Just look at me. Tired. Both are tired. Mom is tired. I have my office meeting in 3 o'clock and it's already 2:55. So, Myra, will I reach home on time?
Yeah.
I just have 5 minutes in hand.
The weather is very, very hot. See?
Oh, phone gets
Very hot.
already 3 and I have to join the meeting from my phone. So I'll vlog after I reach home. So guys, घर पहुंच गई, ऑफिस का मीटिंग भी अटेंड कर लिया एंड अभी भी बाहर निकल गई. अब देखिए वेदर पूरा इट्स गोइंग टू रेन आई गेस. तब इतना धूप था, मेरा सिर इतना दर्द दे रहा था. आई फेल सो डिहाइड्रेटेड. अभी देखिए वेदर. दिस इज व्हाट शिलोंग इज फेमस फॉर. यू कैन नॉट ट्रस्ट इट्स वेदर. आई थिंक इट्स गोना रेन हियर.
Hi everybody, do watch Kritika daily vlogs.
Yay!
Watch it, like it and share it.
Yay!
God bless you.
Reason for this vlog is because I was missing home. So मैं आई हूँ मेरे घर पे शिलोंग पे and just look at the view guys. इतना मौसम मस्त है. तब इतना गर्मी था, अभी मस्त है weather. So I have been making traveling vlogs for the past 3 years and just recently I have completed my Himachal trip, Arunachal trip and in between I have been to one international trip जो मैं बहुत जल्दी शेयर करने वाली हूँ मेरे vlog पे. So I was missing home so much, so मैंने सोचा कि मैं घर आती हूँ and then I came home and so many of you have been commenting me कि you wanted to see my family vlog once again. Since that's how my vlog started, my channel started, it all started from my family vlog. And आप देख सकते थे Myra, she was just 3 years old and now वो इतनी बड़ी हो गई, वो बोलती कि I want to do vlogging, so वो भी vlog बना रही थी मेरे कैमरे में. आज आप देख सकते हो. And that's how unpredictable Shillong's weather is. पीछे देखिए, क्लाउड से भर चुका है, अभी कभी भी बारिश हो सकता है. इट्स चिल्ली वेदर नाउ, ठंडा. तब का फुटेज आप देखिए, इतना गर्मी था, पसीना से लथपथ हो गए थे. एंड जस्ट लुक नाउ, इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ 3-4 hours guys. So that's it in this vlog, and if you like this vlog and if you want more content like this family vlog, just let me know in the comment section. मैं और family vlogs लेके आने वाली हूँ because I'm in my home for a few more days. So तब तक के लिए चलिए मिलके यादें बनाते. See you again in the next vlog. Bye.